Hey there, Heritage fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing this inventory terrace condo by Lennard's, Unit 1216, first floor Birkdale floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, just under 1,200 square foot. Let's take a look here. On the right, this is your master bedroom here. You have tile floor everywhere, no carpet in this unit. Then you've got 2 closets here for the master, and then your master bath with the commode, the singular sink, and then your standalone shower right here. Now coming back towards the hallway and across, we have the guest bedroom here. Right next to the guest bath, again with the singular sink, the commode, and with the combination tub and shower here. Now back in the hallway, you've got your laundry space here, full-size washer and dryer and extra storage above. And then this opens up into your great room area here. So really nice use of the space, for less than 1,200 square foot. It feels very spacious. You get white cabinets, quartz countertops, a full stainless appliance package, the washer and dryer that you already saw. Here you have this really nice size dining area here with the triple bay windows, and then your kitchen overlooks your great room area. And the views as well from your lanai. So really nice grassy distance between you and the preserve here. Plus next to this building, you also have the parking lot there. So plenty of space for your guests that are coming. If you're interested in this, there's only one left in this building. This is the one here. Reach us at all the contact information below for Pinnacle Property. This is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.